Let's take a look at this problem. Best time to buy and sell stocks. So on LeetCode, there are many more problems on this topic, and they are based on different data structures, different algorithms. This one right here, we have an easy problem. What it basically says is we are given a prices array or a slice, and we need to find the best time to buy and sell stocks. We want to maximize our profit by choosing a single day to buy a stock and a different day in the future to sell a stock. Okay, so the prices we can just buy once per day and sell in future. Okay, so there is no shorting over here. Let's take this example. These are the prices on different day. You can call it day 0, day 1, day and so on. If I buy at 7 and I sell at 1, I'm at loss. Okay, we need to maximize the profit. We need profit. So just looking at the array, you can see that if we buy at 1 and we sell at 6, we get the maximum profit of 5. And that's the solution. A naive approach to the problem would be, how about we calculate every possibility? Let's go the brute force way. Let's point an I pointer over here. Let's point a J pointer over here. Let's calculate everything. The first would be -6. Nah, not really. Let's point here. The second would be -2. Not really. This is the max profit we have, which is basically, loss. Let's go to 3 and so on. We have -4. And in the next step, when we are done with J, we reset the J and we increment I by 1. So I is pointing over here in this case. And J is pointing at 5. We calculate this. That would be 4. We have some profit. J moves to 3. Okay, this is J. It's moving to 3. We have a profit of 2. No. J moves to 6. We have a profit of 5. And that would be our solution. And we would continue going. We would not stop until we are done with everything. So, what would be the time complexity? I is moving the complete array of n, and the j is correspondingly moving the complete array of n. We have an n square algorithm. That is not really acceptable in any easy problem. Let's try to find a better solution. Let's try to understand something. Looking at the problem, we can say one thing for sure, that we want to buy at a lower price and we want to sell at a lower price. So, how about I just assume that this is the lowest price right now, because I have not seen the rest of the array yet. If I'm pointing here, I don't know the rest of the array. Let's say I am buying at 7 and then I go forward at 1 and I say, whoops, I could have bought over here. So in real life, you can't do that. But in this question, we can correct our mistakes in the future. So I look at 1 and say, I want to change my buy price. So, any number I have over here, let's say I have 100. So from 7, it would be 93. 93 would be my profit. But from 1, it would be 99 that would be profit. Which means if I can change my buy price in the future, I am going to get a better answer. I am going to get a more profit. So in this problem, what we would do is every time I see a better buy price in the future, I would change that buy price and say, so I made a mistake in the past. Let's change the buy price to the new, price. So this is my new buy price. What would be the profit in this place? Actually, nothing, because my current is this. I am on day 1 and I bought on day 1, so I cannot sell on the same day. I need to sell on a different day. It's written over here. Let's go to the next day. 5. Do I want to buy at 5? No, I already bought at a smaller price, right? Why should I buy at a costlier price? So in this situation, I would not change my buy and say, okay, I think I took the right decision to buy at this price. Let's calculate the profit. So the profit would be 4, 5 minus 1. That's fine. We have one nice profit. It's a positive profit. Let's do one thing. Let's go forward. Let's come over here at 3. Do I want to buy at 3? No, I already bought at 1 at a lower price. So now let's calculate the profit. Profit would be 2. Do I want to accept the 2 profit? No, because I already have a 4 profit. Let's go to 6. At 6, do I want to buy at 6? No, I already bought at 1 and a very good deal. So let's calculate the profit. That is 5. Do I want to accept 5? Yes, it's better than the last 2. I want to accept 5. Let's go to the next. 4. Do I want to buy at 4? Again, no. What would be the profit? 3. I don't accept it. I already have a profit of 5. Now, when we are done with this iteration, what we basically know is that there is no other value apart from 1 where I want to buy. I checked everything. 1 is the lowest I can buy at. And I already sold at 6 and I'm got a profit of 5. There is no point moving the buy forward. And buy is at 1 and that is the best case scenario. Let's look at another example for a while. Let's take this. Let's assume I want to buy over here. I am buying over here. My current is over here. Do I want to change my buy? Yes. I made a mistake buying at 7. Let's buy at 6. Change it. Let's buy at 6. There is no profit in this case because we are on the same day. Let's go to the next day. 6 4. I made a mistake again. I don't want to buy at 6. Let's change the buy to 4. Now I need to move forward one more day. And let's go to 3. Oh, I made a mistake again. 3 is a better deal. Let's go to the better deal. I'm at here. Let's go one day forward. I'm at 1. Whoops, I made a mistake again. Let's take a better deal. Let's go forward. There is no day. So I cannot buy at 1 and sell at, nothing because there is no price over here. So basically I cannot do anything. So profit is 0. We are not going to make a loss. Okay. In this question, if you cannot achieve any profit, you return 0. We are not going to make a loss. We are basically not going to buy. And the output would be 0. So that's the problem. Let's go right into the code. In the code editor, we are given this function max profit, which we have to fill up. And this returns an integer. And this integer is profit. It's giving, the input is the prices list. The first thing I would like to assign a buy price. So what we were doing, let's assume that the buy price is actually the price 0. Okay. The first element, let's assume I bought at the first. We can change anytime, right? And let's assume my profit right now is 0 because I have not bought anything. The profit is 0, assigning it to 0. Now let's traverse through the prices array. For current price in prices 1 colon. So in Python, you can uh, say index from index 1 to the index end. We don't want to look at the same element twice. Okay, even if we do, it's not a problem. But let's not look at the same element twice. We already looked at 0. Let's start looking from 1. So if I got a better deal, the current price is less than the buy price. I got a better deal. I want to change my buy. I want to change my buy. If I do not get a better deal, let's calculate the profit. What is the profit? I want to take the maximum profit I have. So I would say profit equals to max of profit, the global maxima I already have. In the first iteration, it would be 0, but at later point in time, we would have multiple profits. And I want to take the most profit, the maximum profit. The profit is equals to what the price is right now, current price minus what I bought at. This is it. And in the end, I can say, okay, I have the profit. Let's return this profit. Let's run it. It's passing. Let's submit it. We have a solution over here.